We'll guide you through how to fix the D drive not showing or missing on your computer. Whether it's a PC or laptop, Windows 11 or 10, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So let's go and say you go and open up your File Explorer. You go over to the left and find this PC. You may need to go and scroll up or down to go and find that. And you can go and see I've just got the C drive here, but I have got a D drive, but it's not showing and it's missing. This can be really concerning because you'll be thinking you can't go and access your files on there, etc. But don't worry, we've got a way which should hopefully go and get it back and you'll be able to go and access it again and your files should all be still there. Make sure this full guide step by step and don't miss anything important and you're going to be able to go and have it back in here. So let's go and dive straight into this. So for now, let's come out of File Explorer. What you need to do is go and press on search at the bottom and you want to go and type in run, like so. Now what you need to do is go and click on it like this and you'll go and get this pop-up. In here, you need to go and type in disk, D-I-S-K, mgmt.msc. Then you can go and press OK, and the disk management tool is going to go and open up, as you can see. Now, what you need to do is you need to come into your disks here, in this lower part. Now, you may go and have a separate disk for the D drive, or it may go be within this disk here, this 0 for me. So you want to go along here and you need to make sure that the drive has been assigned a letter. So this here, this new volume, 48 gigabytes, this is my D drive officially, but it hasn't been assigned the letter that. And it can also be in a separate one here. And if it goes and hasn't got a letter, we can assign it. So what you need to do is go and right click on it. And then it will go and say change drive letter and path, click there. And you want to press add. And we can then go and assign it drive D. So select D, press OK, go and wait. And shortly we should then go and see it's another D drive. And so of course, to go and check this, what we then need to do is we can come out of disk management and you can go and open up File Explorer and you can then scroll down to this PC and there we have it. There we go and have the D drive. It's now there and you can go into it and go and continue using it. So hopefully help this video, you've managed to go and get it there. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish how-tos like this every single day, so I'm sure we're going to go and help you again.